Yeah. Let's very quickly move on to another result interaction now. Girish Agarwal, director at DB Corp, is with us to talk about the company's performance and trends. Girish, thanks so much for joining in. Sales up 20% as per the numbers that I'm seeing, but a little bit of a pressure on profitability. Can you just explain the quarter to us?
See, we have grown almost by 16% on the top line this quarter, and the bottom line is under pressure, slightly under pressure temporarily, I would say, because of our new launches in Maharashtra and Jharkhand. So we are kind of in investment mode, and last time, as you remember, we mentioned very clearly that some portion of our profit we intend to invest in the new markets where we see good results coming in the near future. For example, we have done 4 editions in Maharashtra and we have done 4 editions in Jharkhand in last one and a half years' time, and we are pretty happy with the results what we have got on the ground there.
So is that investment mode over, or will some of this actually spill over to Q3 as well, and we can still see profits being under pressure?
See, pre-operative expenses all been taken care of, but the running operating expenses will continue for a while because it takes almost 3 to 4 years time for an addition or a new market to break even. So considering that, there could be a slight investment furthermore going ahead. But at the same time, if you look at the business, which is our mature markets, we have a EBITDA margin of almost 32.5% in the Q2 itself. So that way, I think we are not much worried about the pressure on the bottom line. So we know it's a very, very temporary one.
Girish, morning. Having said that, even on quarter-on-quarter basis, the profitability has come down, even though the sales has remained flat. What would explain that? Because, I would assume that that investment phase would be both in Q1 and Q2.
No, what happened in Q1, Maharashtra was just launched. So the entire impact of the Q2 actually has come in, Maharashtra has come in Q2. Okay. For example, our Jalgaon, Aurangabad and Nasik, they all were launched in the middle of Q1. So the total impact of circulation of running loss is what you call it, has come in the Q2. And it will continue in Q3 and Q4 also.
And what about advertising revenues? I mean, what kind of rates have you seen? Have they stabilized? Is there pressure on that? Could you take us through that?
See, rate has stabilized, but as you know, in the national market, there's a bit sluggish in terms of national advertisers. Our retail is still pretty going more than 20%, but retail is slightly sluggish. So based on that, we are not pushing the rate too hard. We are pushing more the ticket size so that we are able to get value from a client rather than looking at a yield on that way.
And finally, what about newsprint paper costs? I mean, what kind of trend has been there in that quarter?
See, newsprint, we see from last quarter to this quarter, there's a 16, like year on year, 16% cost increase on the newsprint side. But our circulation has increased by 17% from YOY comparison. So that's the reason our total cost of the newsprint has gone up by 38%. Also, there's the impact of 6 crore in this quarter on the forex side, because we had taken dollar at particular rate and the dollar has gone beyond. And that is, I would say, this would be a temporary effect again, only for this quarter, which is around 6 crores. So the bottom line has been further hit because of that amount also.
All right, Girish, we'll leave it on that note. Then thanks for joining in. So the rupee headline keeps cropping up, and you were seeing, how companies have been struggling because perhaps no one, and really no one could have thought. I remember that I think those were the opening remarks that even the TCS top management had at the time of result reaction, that who could have predicted 50 so quickly.
What is the DB Corp doing, by taking, rupee exposure? Yes, I know that, they've started international, operations as well, but that would be relatively still quite small compared to some of these IT companies. So, anyways, that's the way of life right now. DB Corp, the stock is down about 3%. Market not clearly enthused by those numbers. The stock down about 3%.